Hey there, Windows 11 users! Ever faced the frustrating issue of your alarms in Windows Clock app refusing to load? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we've got 3 solutions to tackle this problem head-on. Stick around and let's get those alarms ringing and clocks ticking again. Right-click on the Windows Start button. It's your gateway to system enhancements. Open Settings from the menu. Let's get into the heart of your system. Click on Apps. We're navigating through your installed applications. In the Installed Apps section, look for the troubled application. We're about to work some magic. Click the 3 dots menu. It's time to unveil the advanced options. Click on Advanced Options. We're unlocking the toolbox to fix things up. Now, the secret sauce. Click on Repair. Watch as your system troubleshoots and mends itself. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Let's kick things off with a right-click magic. Open Settings. It's the control center of your Windows kingdom. Navigate to Installed Apps. We're diving into the heart of your applications. Locate the troublesome app. And click the 3 dots menu. Time to unveil the app's secret menu. Click on Advanced Options. We're unlocking the hidden powers to give your app a fresh start. And now, the grand finale. Click on Reset. Watch as your app goes back to its factory settings. If it doesn't work here, is the next solution. Start by right-clicking on the Windows Start button. It's the gateway to all things Windows. Open Settings. This is where the magic happens, folks. Navigate to Installed Apps. We're diving into your application universe. Locate the Clock app or the app of your choice. Once you've found it, click the 3 dots menu for more options. Click on Advanced Options. We're about to take control and customize. Now, the decisive moment, click on Uninstall. Bid farewell to the Clock app as it makes its exit. Let's kick things off by searching the Microsoft Store. Type in Store in your Windows search bar. Open the Microsoft Store. It's the hub for all your Windows apps and updates. In the search bar, look for Windows Clock. We're getting ready to give your timepiece a makeover. Open Windows Clock from the search results. Choose the one that suits your style. Click on Download and watch as your Clock app gets a fresh install. This is the digital equivalent of a renovation. Now, open the clock app. It's time to set things up just the way you like it. Customize and set the time to your preference. Your revamped clock app is now ready to keep you on schedule. I hope this tutorial helped you, so please like, comment, and subscribe.